Hi, in this video we're going to look at Aquantuo contact and how you can speak to customer service on the Aquantuo platform.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
So this is one big question a lot of prospective customers and new users always ask, because if you can't contact your shippers or forwarders, then you have no communication with them and you'll always be worried. So this is one aspect of this business that you cannot ignore. So we are going to look at how you can contact them and always get information from them. Right on their website, I think they are doing their best to help you contact them. They are doing everything they can. I have already logged in, but let's say I have logged out. Let me log out and let's see what happens on the front page. So on the front page like this, what I would do if I can't immediately find contacts, in fact you can always find their contacts on their front page. You can just go into the contacts. But what I normally do first is that I go to the frequently asked questions. There you have your questions answered probably even before you go to the contacts, because normally we ask the same questions. We are human beings. So it's even better with FAQs or frequently asked questions than with emails or chats or sometimes even phone calls. Some calls are not necessary. You can just go and search for those answers. So if you want to learn how this platform works or what Aquantuo does, all those questions are here. They'll take off your fears and you don't have to worry about very little details that may not be necessary. What is customs duty? If you don't know, you click on it and they'll send you there. I do not see my transporters nearby. Can I still make a listing? So I have talked about transporters in the previous video. I'll link to that video here. Or let me tell you about transporters now. Transporters are basically people who are going to the US or coming from the US to Ghana, going from Ghana to the US. So what Aquantuo is doing is that it's giving you the opportunity for you to send your products or services, not by air or by sea, but by human beings who probably use air. So if they have space in their packages or their if they have space in their baggages, they can then take your products or goods with them. So they are the transporters basically. They'll transport your products to the USA or from the USA to Ghana for you. And they have the arrangement how they pay them and how you also pay for those services. How do I get an address to ship my items to? So they'll show you how to get the address. How do I track or know the status of my packages? You also get to know that here. My item was delivered to my Aquantuo address. How long does it take before I get a confirmation? That I think more frequently asked questions. I get a confirmation that this question is not complete. So that is it with Aquantuo and frequently asked questions. Most of the questions customers or new customers, prospective customers will be asking are here. You don't even need to contact them. But if you still have questions, then you can speak to their customer service through a chat, or otherwise, as we go back here, you email them or you call them. I always prefer you call them with such services like this. Don't fear, speak to them. With chats, if you have very simple questions, don't have to worry them. They are busy people, and you can chat with them. Email, I wouldn't take email for something as personal as this, unless you want to share details of something with them. That's when you send it through mail. So basically, if you are good with customer service, you would love frequently asked questions and how it helps you contact your providers. So let's look at the contacts as well. So here you have their contacts. They are in opposite the Derby Royal Hotel, and here are some of their phone numbers. You can contact them. The USA phone number there, and the office hours are between Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. That's normal 9 to 5. Classes on My goodness, why am I making these silly mistakes? I don't know, I'm quite tired. I need some rest. Closed on weekends and public holidays. You can support Aquantuo. Okay, no. You can support them. That is their help desk or support at aquantuo.com. They are on Facebook, Twitter probably, and Instagram. I know about their Facebook page. I don't know about their Twitter and their Instagram pages. You can always go there and search more. If you have any questions for them, you can just upload the details here, your name, email address, and phone number. You can put a question in here. They have pre-populated questions here, especially if you have issues with delivery, payment issues, order delays, items not received, report user, transporters not responding, order not delivered, others. So basically, that is how you contact Aquantuo. I think this is a very short video. It should be, because I'm getting exhausted. So if you have any other questions for their contacts, let me know so that we can do more on that. And with that, I think you should just subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, and we'll see ourselves once again in another video. Thanks a lot.